Today, we're introducing a brand new service, and we call it Apple Card.
The new Apple Card is here. It's the tech company's credit card that integrates with Apple Pay, its digital wallet. It uses the MasterCard network, so the card will be accepted pretty much everywhere in the world. While a physical Apple Card may look sleek, it's made from titanium. It's not an exclusive card like American Express Centurion or the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. It's much more for the everyday person. First of all, there's no annual fee like those other upscale cards. In fact, there are no fees at all. None for foreign transactions, going over your limit, cash advances, or late payments. There are other cards that don't have fees, but the no cash advance fee and the no late payment fee are pretty unique. The card's interest rate has a broad range depending on your creditworthiness, but it's in line with other cards. It also comes with rewards, although not the richest among rewards cards. 3% back on Apple purchases, 2% back when you use the card with Apple Pay, and 1% back when you use the actual card. The card is pretty secure because it leans on the Apple Wallet's built-in security features, which, by the way, are available to any card stored on the virtual wallet. The physical card is numberless, so no one can copy your card's number and make a fake. That's pretty cool, but that type of fraud is declining anyway. The last noteworthy feature is its money management tool. The card color codes your purchases on your iPhone, so you know how much you spent at restaurants or on groceries each month. Even better, the tool shows you how much interest you'll pay depending on the amount you send in. It's an interesting card, largely because it's Apple. But as with any credit card, it's always smart to compare to find the best one for you.